Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha and today I'm going to tell you how to do a guest makeup look. So first I'm taking the Tarte concealer and applying all over my eyelids, and after that I'm taking the eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty and taking this pink color and I've applied all over my eyes, and after that I used shimmery eyeshadow. And now I am putting the gel eyeliner from Maybelline. So let's moisturize our face. It's a biotech cream and apply just all over your face to give a hydration to your skin first. So now I'm taking the facial oil, just 3-4 drops of facial oil, and you will feel your skin is hydrate. So now I'm taking the primer, and wherever you feel you have open pores, just dab it there. So let's move on to the foundation. I'm taking here the Fit Me foundation. It's very good foundation and it blends very nicely. I'm taking this beauty blender to blend my foundation easily. And after that I'm using the setting powder from Maybelline, and let's set our base for a long lasting coverage. So now I'm going to contour my face. So after contour I'm going to apply blush. So let's set our base with the MAC setting spray, and it gives a very nice hydration effect and your makeup will be last and longer. And after that I'm going to apply the highlighter. It's from MAC, and I'm just whatever area I want to highlight, I'm just applying it there. So now, okay guys, I'm done with my makeup and this is the final look, and do tell me that how you like the look, and do comment if and whatever you want to see in the next tutorials, kindly let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.